What if I told you that the person you think you are is not you? Not your preferences, not your opinions, not your fears, not even your dreams. What if your personality is just a script and you didn't write it? You say, this is just who I am. I'm shy, I'm ambitious, I'm anxious, I'm confident, I'm not a morning person, I'm bad at math, I don't like confrontation. But who told you that? Think carefully. When did you decide that? This is you. Or did someone decide for you? Let's go back. You were a child. No identity, no labels, no personality, just awareness. Then it started. Be quiet. Don't cry. Good boys don't do that. Smart girls act like this. Why can't you be more like your brother? Every reaction around you became instruction. Every reward became programming. Every rejection became correction. You learned what gets love and what loses it. Then school refined the script. Sit down, raise your hand, wait your turn, memorize, repeat, obey. Creativity was optional. Conformity was rewarded. You learned something more important than math. You learned hierarchy, who is popular, who is ignored, who is safe to be, and who is not. And slowly, you adjusted, not to be yourself, but to survive. Then society stepped in. Your country, your religion, your media, your generation. It told you what success looks like, what failure feels like, what a man should be, what a woman should be, what is normal, what is shameful. You think you chose your dreams, but did you? Or did you inherit them? Why do millions of people want the same life, the same house, the same body, the same validation? Is that individuality or synchronized programming? Now let's go deeper. Why do you get angry so fast? Why do you shut down in arguments? Why do you procrastinate? Why do you sabotage opportunities? Those are not personality traits, they are adaptations. Defense mechanisms built by a younger version of you to survive something: rejection, humiliation, neglect, pressure. You are not lazy. You are protecting yourself. You are not insecure. You were taught to doubt. You are not cold. You learned that vulnerability is dangerous. And here is the terrifying part. You don't even see the script running. It feels like you. When someone criticizes you, you react automatically. When someone praises you, you light up automatically. When you see someone more successful, you compare automatically. You call it my personality, but it's just code, installed early, updated by society, reinforced by repetition. And you never questioned it. So let me ask you something uncomfortable. If we removed your childhood conditioning, your cultural expectations, your fears, your trauma, your need for approval, who would you be? Would you still want the same career, the same partner, the same lifestyle, or are you living someone else's unfinished story? This is not about blame. Your parents had scripts, their parents too. This is about awareness, because once you see the script, you can rewrite parts of it, slowly, painfully, consciously. But most people won't, because it's easier to defend the script than to question it. So the real question is not, who are you? The real question is, are you brave enough to find out?